Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Shopify for affiliate marketing ready store setup detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on Start Free Trial. Enter your email address, password, and store name. Once registered, complete the initial setup by answering the guided questions. Select the type of products you plan to sell. Access the Shopify admin dashboard once you're logged in. Go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Click on General to configure your store details. Add your store's address and contact information. Next, navigate to Payments in the Settings menu. Choose a payment method that suits your affiliate marketing needs. Consider options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party providers. Proceed to Shipping in the settings. Set up your shipping zones and rates based on your target audience. Now, go to Online Store on the left menu. Select Themes to choose a theme that fits your brand. Shopify offers free and paid themes. Preview and install the one you prefer. Customize your theme by clicking on Customize beside your selected theme. Modify the layout, colors, and fonts according to your brand style. Add essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy through the Pages section. Click on Add Page to create new pages and fill in the necessary information. Next, go to the Products section on the left menu. Click on Add Product to start adding items to your store. Provide product titles, descriptions, and high-quality images. Set pricing and inventory details for each product listed. After adding products, set up collections in the Products section. Organize your products into categories for better navigation. Now, ensure you have affiliate links ready for promotion. Integrate your affiliate links into the product descriptions or create dedicated affiliate products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.